Come on, try to answer. There is a compile timer in this program. Try to find compile timer. I want to test your intelligence. Okay, I'm testing your intelligence. I wanted to check you yourself. Can you find correct answer or not? I don't want to talk. If I am talking, you are habituating only listening my voice. You are not listening your voice. So try. This is how you pronounce it as M1 of 5.6. What is 5.6? What is 5.6? 5.6 is not float. 5.6 is double, na? Right? What did you learn yesterday? 10.0 is of type of float. You cannot assign to double directly. It leads to compile time error. If you want to treat 10.0 as a float type, what you need to do? You have a suffix with F or capital F. You forgot? So people who studied yesterday material, they can answer correctly. If not studied, you'll face problem. You will fail in the interview. You would like to fail in the interview? It leads to compile time error, okay? So M1 of 5.6 is a compile time error because M1 of double. Okay, then if you want to solve this compile time error, what you need to do? You need to add M1 of 5.6F. Then it's compiled successfully. Okay. I'm going to show you some more slides, expecting you to talk yourself. Talk yourself and find correct output by your own. Okay. Try next bit. Yeah, did you understand all these slides? Did you understand this slide? Now, based on this point, this is a very important point. Empty character not allowed. One space is allowed. Multiple spaces, multiple characters, multiple digits not allowed. Okay. Today, I want to test whether you can read and understand by your own. Every day you are listening my voice and you are understanding. Today is a test to you. I want you understand yourself. Okay. I'm talking very less. I want make you read more. Okay. Try. Look at this program and find output. Where is compile time error? Where is no compile? So people are not understanding what is happening. Okay, great people. Why you are not understanding when other people are understanding? Ebuji, all other people are answering. Why you are not understanding? Because you are angry. Because you are angry. Because you are not trying what is happening to understand. Okay. All other students are answering, Nana. You are now looking at me and saying, hey, what happened? Why you are not talking? Okay, that way you are feeling. I am writing everything here. Previous question I already answered. What I answered previous question? 5.6, M1 of 5.6. When you write 5.6 is what type? 5.6 is double type. So compiler searching for double parameter method, not available. So error. లాస్ట్ 2 క్లాస్ అంటే అటెండ్ అవ్వలేదా? ఇప్పుడు నేను మాట్లాడే నీకు అర్థం కాదు. ఓకే, లాస్ట్ 2 క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వకపోతే ఇప్పుడు నేను మాట్లాడినా నీకు అర్థం కాదు. నేను లాస్ట్ 2 క్లాస్ని కవర్ చేసి మాట్లాడినా కదా. I don't do revision of last 2 classes, right? So obviously you don't understand even I am talking also, because whatever I am typing the same thing I will talk. Okay, so that's your problem now, Mr. Tripatiya and Geeta. Why you are not understanding? Whatever the need to talk, I am talking here. I am telling here M1 of 1 execute into parameter method. Why? Explain. Because M1 of 1 is M1 of int. Whatever I need to talk, I am typing. The next M1 of single quote executing char parameter. Why? Explain. Because single quote 1 is char parameter method executed. So if you don't do revision of yesterday class, what is PSV now? Oh my God, I'm too crazy now. Okay, can someone say that what is PSV? Can someone say what is PSV? Now my chat window is blasting like anything with a reply. Look, what is PSV? Look, come on buddy, why you are that much no, not thinking? Public static void may look at that. It's blasting. My chat window is blasting like anything for the statement. What is PSV? Ayyo, it's a small point, right? I don't know why you are not thinking that much. Oh no, here written main string array args. Before main what will be there? Public static void will be there, na? Ayyo, I written n of a, m1 of a error. Why? Whatever I'm talking, I need to talk, I'm typing, because single quote is missing. So consider it as variable. M1 of a variable is not found. So compiler throwing error, cannot find symbol variable a. M1 of 97. 97 is what type? Int parameter method executed. M1 of single quote a. Single quote is what? Char parameter method executed. Okay, hope you all understand. This slide understand? In a single quote, how many characters are allowed? In single quote, either one letter or one digit, one special character allowed. We are not allowed to place multiple characters. We are not allowed to place empty character. At least one space you must place. Single quote AB wrong, single quote 10 wrong, single quote $, wrong, empty single quote wrong, single quote space right, space wrong, right? Then, so what the point I'm trying to understand last class? Whenever we use some data in the program, every data is having type background. Based on the type, compiler will execute. So M1 of 1 is of what type? M1 of 1 is int type, int param. M1 of single quote 1 is what type? Char param. M1 of 97 is what type? Int param. M1 of single quote what type? Char param. right? Tell me, M1 of 10, what is the output? Char type, na? Char param executor, right? Huh? In a single quote, how many digits are allowed? Only one digit. But how many applies? Two digits. Then you have to choose here compile time error. And tell me, to find output of given program, do you need to know how to write program or do you need to know the concept? I didn't say write program. I am giving program to you asking what is the output. To find output of the program, what you need to do? You should know concept. If you know this previous slide, if you remember this previous slide, you can answer this question, right? So that is the problem with you. So just remember concept, apply. Remember concept, apply. Tell me, in your childhood, you learn first how to write or how to speak. In childhood, when you born and grown up, so first you started listening, then started remembering. Listen, remember, then reply. After 5 years, when you join in school, then you start writing how to write, right? In childhood, so many words you are speaking, but if I really give that word on a paper and asking you to read, you cannot read because you don't know how to write. You must not learn how to write. You must learn how to read. Okay, if I give a program, you must able to know what I am telling. Just remember this, whatever the slide I given, that slide you need to bring here, apply them and tell me output. That's it. I didn't ask you to write a program. I'm asking what is output from below program. Just apply concept. There is a method M1 defined with the type int. There is a method M1 defined with the type char. Oh, then when these methods executed, only when we call. So to call M1 method of int, I should pass int value. To call M1 of char, I should pass char argument. So now let me go to main method. This is a PSV and a public static void main. Okay, so shortcut I have written because there is no space. Then M1 of 1 is of type int param M1 method. Single quote one, oh, it's a char param M1 method. Hey, there is no single quote and it is not a digit, it is a letter. So it is called as a variable, identifier, variable, compiler throw error. 97 is what type? Int param. Single quote A is what? Char param. M1 of single quote. Hey, in single quote, two characters are not allowed, two letters are not allowed, two digits are not allowed. So compiler throw error. So this is a way you have to remember the concept and apply on the program and find output, right? Come on, habituate working like this. Habituate working like this, okay? Shall I go to next data type? Integer data types completed, floating point data types completed, character data type completed. In a floating point data, integer data type, important point what? Every integer number considered as a int, either short or medium or large, everything will be considered as int. If the number is a large integer, compiler throw error because that is number is not in the range of int, we must suffix with a small l or capital L. And we don't have the character small b or capital B, small s or capital S, suffix is not there. The next point, if you wanted to, every floating point number is represented as a double type, not as a float type like in C language. In C language, float number you can use as a int or you can use as a float or you can use as a double, your wish. But in Java, Java is a strictly typed programming language. In Java, you cannot write 10.0 as a float. You can write only as a double. If you want to use a 10.0 as a int type or you want to use as a float type, if you want to use as a int type, you must use a cast operator int. You must use cast operator int. Look at that. You must use cast operator int. If you want to use as a float, suffix operator f. If you want to use as a double directly. So this is the important point compared to C language. Then come to the character data type. Right, in C also we have char data type, in Java also we have char data type. Same rules are applied between C and Java. There is no difference, but there is a one difference. In C language, char data type size is 1 byte. In Java, char data type size is 2 bytes. Compared to C language, in Java, char data type size is 2 bytes because Java char data type is used to represent Unicode character set. Unicode character set has a characters 0 to 65,535, means totally 65,536 characters are there. To store these many characters, I need 2 bytes of memory. Are you catching my point? Right. C language data type supports only 1 byte because it supports only C language supports only ASCII character set, which contains 0 to 255 characters. Hence, 1 byte memory is sufficient. Java supports Unicode character set for developing internationalization application. Internationalization application means it should display content in the current country native language. For example, you take gmail.com. Gmail.com you open in India, should show in English. You open in Japan, should show in Japanese language. You open in China, should show in Chinese language. So in which language you open, that language, native country language should open, okay? That's called Unicode character set. And then next moment, now let's try to understand with the Boolean data type. Now tell me, should I talk or you want to understand yourself? Try yourself. I'm mute. I'm on mute now. I want you work. Yeah, what is your doubt? Mohishin. Sorry, every time I'm pronouncing your name wrong here. Now tell me, Mohishin. Yeah, type. Or you want to talk? Your wish. You want to talk? I will give you mic permission. So other people also know. Yes, you can unmute.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, just now you said that 6,535, 0 to 6,535 is the total range of Unicode characters. So to store all those Unicodes, we need 2 byte, or for one Unicode character, we need 2 byte.
Character 1 byte, Nana.
Sorry?
One Unicode character, 2 bytes.
Okay.
Not all.
Okay.
Each one. Okay. Unicode character range up to 65,535. So 65,535 number representing Unicode character. If you want to store, I need 2 bytes, no?
For single Unicode character.
Each Unicode number representing by each Unicode character represented by one number.
Yes.
Okay, 0 representing one Unicode character, 1 representing one Unicode character, 2 representing another Unicode character, 65,535 representing another Unicode character. To store 65,535, that number to store, we need 2 bytes.
Okay. Yeah. For each Unicode character, we need 2 bytes.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
As many Unicode characters you want to store, those many into 2 bytes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So come on, read Boolean data types. Java supports specially a data type called Boolean for representing conditional or logical values true and false. Okay. In Java program, to store true or false, we must use Boolean values, Boolean variable as shown below. True is of type Boolean, so Boolean variable. False is of type Boolean variable. Tell me where Boolean values will be used when you want to take decision. I want to take some decision like this value right or wrong, this username right or wrong, this password right or wrong. Some places I need to take some decisions. Wherever you need to take a decision, there we need Boolean data type. In general, we will use Boolean value for checking condition to take decisions. It is mainly used in if condition to take decision to execute a block of statements 0 or 1 time, or in loops while for to take decision to execute a block of statements 0 or n times. Okay, if for executing block of statement is either 0 or 1, while and for loop for executing block of statement 0 or n times. Okay, now, right, if true, while true, for true, right, wherever condition there we are writing true. Is it clear? Mayur, can you please unmute? What is your question? I didn't understand. Mayur, unmute and ask me question, I'll answer. Speak loudly. This is the question he asked, buddy. Can you somebody understand? He is mute. His mic is not working. I didn't understand what he's asking. Can someone understand his question? If there is a void in main class, Where is main class? Why do I? Then there is any output or not? Hmm? Try to form question once again correctly. Okay, what you wanted to ask, think properly and ask again. Okay, so I don't want to waste other people time. Okay, all you people understand a Boolean data type where we use, we don't generally, okay, generally we are not going to store true or false in the variables. We will always use in the conditions like this. You can use either true or false or some expression that generate. Look at here, if I write true, true always, it's wrong, because 0 or 1 time I want execute. So the condition you have to prepare based on some expression. Then I need expression with operator, right? Language fundamentals chapter. If you want to prepare expression, we need one operator. Which operator I need? Calculation operator or validation operators? We need validation operators. In projects, we don't directly place Boolean values true, false in if, else, while, if, while for condition as shown in the previous code. Rather, we will place an expression that generate Boolean value true or false dynamically with the given input values. To generate Boolean values dynamically inside an expression, you must use Boolean value generating operators. What are the Boolean value generating operators? 3 operators are there. You don't know, that's why I'm telling you. Okay, don't ask, sir, I don't know these operators. You don't know, that's why I'm telling. Except relational operators, equality operators, logical operators. These 3 operators will generate Boolean value. What are the relational operators? Less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, instance of. So if you wanted to find a given number is less than some given number, greater than some given number, equal to some given number, not equal to some given number, if the given object is of type a given class or not. Okay, if you want to join multiple conditions as a single condition, double and double R we will use. So we are going to use relational operators or equality operators for generating Boolean value conditions. And if you write multiple conditions, let's say x less than 10, x less than 20, x greater than, like that, you want to prepare multiple conditions and join all conditions as a one condition. There we use logical operators, double and double R. Okay, so in coming days, you are going to work more like this with a logical control flow statements and operators chapter. Okay, then Boolean data type is used in validations or verification, but not in calculations. It means to confirm the given input is correct or wrong, we will use Boolean data type value. Whereas byte, short, int, long, Boolean, byte, long, short, float, double, char, these 7 data types are used in calculations to generate output value from the given inputs. For example, here, if you take a less than 0, less than operator is used for what purpose? For Boolean expression generation. And here plus operator is used for what purpose? This is used for calculation. Here Boolean data type used in the condition. Here calculation rate, okay, int data type is coming. Nothing but byte, short, int, long, float, double, char is coming in the calculation. The result of calculation operator is any one of these 7 data types. The result of validation operator is Boolean. Did you understand? The result coming out on operator, Boolean validation operator is Boolean. The result of calculation operator is any of these 7 data types. So you are going to understand more about these points in the coming classes. No need to worry. In C language, in Java, we cannot use, like in C language, in Java, we cannot use, compared to C language. In Java, we cannot use 0 as a false and 1 as a true. Java compiler will throw error. Okay, if 0, if you write in C language, no error, but in Java, error. If 1 in C language, no error, in Java, error. All you people understand? Okay, based on this point, I want to give one small program. Can you please find what is the output of this program? Find out what is the output of this program. Okay, now maximum people are telling answer is hi, hello, hi, hello, hi, hello. How are you? Where are you? Hey, how are you? Where are you? What operator I have used here? Rabuji, what operator I have used here? That's why I'm telling you, don't show your talent. Okay? Don't show your talent. Don't use your brain. Don't show your talent. If you use your brain, if you show your talent, pakka wrong answer. No doubt in that. 100% wrong answer. Are pronounce it by what is it? Is it double equal to operator, equal to operator? It is single equal to. Single equal to is single equal to is Mr. Danu. What I am telling you are not understanding. You are giving whatever you like. Oh my God. Single equal to is assignment operator. Here what happens when you call M1 of 10, control come here, X value 10, X memory 10. Okay. Then 10 is a copy into X. That means 10 replaced with 10. And what is coming out from this expression? X value 10. And tell me, this entire X equal to 10 replaced with what value? 10, if 10. What is the meaning of if 10? Shiv Gaur, Mr. Shiv Gaur, can you tell me what is the meaning of if 10? True, na? If 10 means true, na false? Huh? Are you in C language class or Java language class, buddy? You are in Java, babu, not in C language. Don't bring your C knowledge to Java, bhai. It is Java. In Java, if block, in Java, if block condition must be what? If must be what? Boolean. Right? So here Boolean is generated, int is generated, int, it wrong value. So compiler throw error. This is a compulsory asking question in the written test exam from Java. It's a compile time error assignment operator. It's not comparison operator. So it is 10 generated. So compiler throw error. Tell me what to do to solve this compile time error. What should I do to solve this compile time error? You must use double equal to operator. Okay, now understand at this point? If you don't remember this point, always will give wrong answer. Don't bring C language, Python language to Java. Those are structured or functional programming languages, but they are dynamically typed programming languages. I mean, C is not dynamically, Python is dynamically typed programming language. They have given that provision, but Java people not given. Java is a strictly typed programming language. They don't want to create any confusion. Okay, don't bring C and Python points to Java. Remember, that language different, this language is different. You should not ask me, in Hindi we called mango. In English we call mango. In Hindi, why arm? We call mango only. And it's not good, right? If 0, if 1 in Java, error. So if 10 coming here, error. There was the solution. You must use double equal to operator. If I use a double equal to operator, then no error. It's a comparison operator. So now you are passing 10 to X. X value how much? 10. 10 equal to 10, true. Then true means high. Then you pass 20. X value how much? 20. 20 equal to 10, false. Then else block executed, output is hello. Hope everyone understood. Double equal to operator, single equal to operator, there is a test twister. Be careful. Be careful, okay? Carefully. In written test exam, carefully watch that point. So these are Boolean data type related points. Now tell me, what is the output of this program? Come on, everyone try to answer what is the output of this program. Yeah, Ray, I should cry, I should laugh, I don't understand, Rao. After giving this much explanation, still people are giving answer, hello, hi. What should I do, Ray? Look at here. That's why I given the question one more time. I know you are, you are a, number one Gajani in the market, na? See, still people are giving hello, 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 hello. It's a compiled error, right? Just now I explained your 1 minute Gajani, huh? Huh? Are you 1 minute Gajani? This is single equal to, right? Not double equal to. Mr. Hello people who were telling hello, try to question yourself. Are you in class or are you somewhere else? It's an error, Nana. Okay, now the question, all you people think and tell me. Here you are getting error because of assignment operator or the result is not Boolean. Everyone think, very important point. Here you are getting error because of assignment operator or because it is generating non-Boolean value. All you people understand? Here you are getting error not because of assignment operator. Because the generated value is not Boolean. Now the question. Now tell me, what is the output of this program? Is there any compile time error? Motion, unmute and tell me what is the output.
Now here we are giving false. So A will be having false value. So else part will be executed.
Okay. Then what is the output?
Give me a minute. Sir, here at line number 3, we have used Boolean. So keyword is Boolean or bool. That I need to confirm once.
With whom you need to confirm?
Sir, I'm requesting you. I'm confused.
Why?
I don't remember it's boolean or bull
Why you don't remember?
keyword.
How do you know bull?
Like integer, we use int. So here we have bull or complete boolean.
Acha. Double only I use, na?
Yes, yes. If it is boolean only, then
It's impossible for you to understand next coming Java concepts. Okay. I'm telling you, write down my paper. You are going to suffer like anything and you are going to trouble me like anything. Pakka, I'm writing bond paper. Why I ask you to unmute? That is the reason I want, that is the point I want to confirm you. You are going to trouble me like anything in the coming classes. Too much you are going to trouble. Because you are not at all listening what I am telling. You are not at all remembering what I am telling. You are not at all applying what I am trying to tell. You are always using your brain. You are in a different world. We all in a different world.
sir, output will be hello.
Do you understand what I am telling? I'm not expecting answer from you. Okay. I wanted to confirm one point. That's why I unmute you. Today onwards, I'm telling you, I'm not going to consider your statements, whatever you are going to talk. Because you are not coming to my world. You are in a different world and you are trying to talk whatever you like.
No, sir, it's
Okay?
I'm concentrating.
Listen. I'll show you. 1 second. Where is you? Yeah. Look at here. I given a question to you to answer. All students are answering. Look at that. All students are answering. All students are answering. But what you are asking? No voice. Why you want my voice?
Sir, maybe there was network issue, so I was not getting your voice, sir,
Why you
completely.
are not getting my voice? I'm not talking. No, I give an assignment. I given that
Sir,
question, find output and I'm silent.
sir,
And immediately within second you are saying no voice.
sir,
Look at all
actually,
people are answering. All
sir,
people are
actually,
answering. This is a everyday problem. Whenever I say something you work, you will come up with no voice. Why you want my voice?
no, sir. Actually, voice was not there, so I was thinking that I'm getting internet problem or what.
Why you
For
think?
that reason,
Nah, why you think? That's what the problem I'm telling. You are in a different world. Every day I'm observing. I don't to talk quickly, Nana. Listen, I don't know what is your experience, where what you are. I mean, you're a student or working employee. I ask you, mention your degree, what you are doing. See, all people are writing what they are doing, but you didn't write. I don't know why you write a dot and leaving. Look, everybody is doing. Everybody writing. I also written myself. HK Naresh IT. We all writing. Everybody following me clearly. Whatever I'm asking, they are doing. One or two people are missing, and you are very active in the class. Openly I'm talking. Okay, I want correct your mistake. Openly I'm talking. You are very active in the class from the day beginning of, including demo classes. I love you. Okay, but the problem is you are not coming into my world. You are in a different world. You are thinking as you like. It trouble you like anything. No doubt in that. Now I am asking, what is the output? You are telling, is it a bool or boolean? After these many points completed, why did you get the doubt?
sir, output will be hello.
No, answer my question. I'm not expecting output from you now. These many points I completed, Boolean I have written, data type chapter hierarchy I given, you practice. After these much points I travel. Now finally you come with a conclusion question that is it a Boolean or Boolean I have a doubt, please confirm. And did I use anything here, Boolean or bool?
No, that question was different. Now it's complete.
I have written here, right?
Yes.
Boolean I have written explicitly. Again, why you get it out bool? So you know Python, right?
Sir, I was confused actually.
I mean, you know Python, right?
A little bit.
That little bit is the problem. So you are bringing Python into Java. Why you are bringing? Learn Java as Java first. Later you compare Python and Java. In Java, I learn like this. What is there in Python? Don't learn Java from Python. Try to compare Python after you learn Java. The moment I open this slide, without understanding this slide, you are bringing Python. In Python, what is there? That is wrong way of learning. First you focus on what is in Java. You are here to learn Java. Okay, in Java, there is a Boolean to store true or false. Okay, after you understand this point, then you bring your Python knowledge. Oh, in Python bool, in Java Boolean. Okay, chalo. So if you don't change your mind quickly, then coming days, you are going to face a lot of problems because you are not accepting, you are not ready to apply the points I am giving. You are always working in your own mind. It creates problem. Okay. If you don't change, this is the last point, I can say warning or whatever you feel. Okay. I am just trying to tell you, if you don't come into my world, if you are thinking as you like, pakka you are going to face several problems. Okay, na? So come on, come into my world, try to take my statements and don't bring your English, try to take my English and don't prepare your own statements, prepare from my statements. Understand my statement. You don't prepare your own statement, your own understanding. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
You never ever come with your own statement. If I say, now the value true is allowed to store in Boolean, you by heart that statement and you that statement only tell in the interview. Don't use your own English. So try to change at least for few chapters. Later again, you can come back your own mind because we are in basics. In basics, if you are doing too much analyzation with Python, other languages, you are going to face so many problems in the coming classes. Not only you are facing, you are troubling me and troubling class. Pakka, because when a student is getting some doubt, without clearing doubt, I cannot go to next point. And all students are given answers. Look at that. All students are giving answer. They're expecting me to go fast. But for you to make you clear, I am coming back. So no need to sorry, Nana. I hate the word sorry, okay? So as a teacher, it's my responsibility to correct all the people mindset. So I hate the word sorry. I hate the word thanks. Okay, thanks I can expect, I can accept. But the word sorry, it's irritates me like anything, the word sorry, okay? Never ever say sorry to me because I am your friend. Okay, I have all the rights to correct your thinking process. So I'm requesting you everyone, not only Mohishin, I'm requesting everyone, try to listen, try to analyze the subject, remember it and try to apply. Okay? Don't confuse unnecessary by thinking your own way. Come into my world, Java world, HK programming world. Here you got, when I use a data type int, I got compile term error with assignment operator because the value, the result generated from this expression is int. If doesn't accept int, if condition doesn't accept int, that's why error. Now I'm changing it to Boolean data type with a value true. In place of 20, I have written false. Then tell me, here any compile time error? No compile time error. It's compiled successfully because what happened here? Tell me everyone. Everyone try to answer what happened here. When I run this program, control come to main method and a variable memory created with what value? True. Okay, with value true. With value true. Then control go to next line. In the next line, what you have used? Comparison operator, assignment operator. Assignment operator. Then false is copy into A. Now what happened here? True is replaced with what? False. Okay. Then the false is giving to if. If false means go to else block. Output is coming hello. Okay. This is the way you need to understand. Hope you all understand. If I write SOPL and A down, what is the output you will get? True or false? After if else block, I have written system.out.println A. What will you get? True or false? You will get false there. Not true because already A value changed to false na. Anshuman, you will get output false, not true. Okay, buddy. All you people understand a Boolean data type horrible story? This is a very, very important question. Hope you understand. Sir, I want write notes. Yeah, already notes there, Nana. Already given you in Xerox material. If something is missing in the material, I will give you, because this material prepared by me, I know what is there, what not there. I requested you to practice all these pages. I know you never practice, lazy fellows. If I talk, then only you'll remember. Yes or no, lazy fellows or not? What do you say? Lazy fellows or not? Come on, tell me. Normal lazy na? Too much lazy na? You are too much lazy. Okay, floating point data types. Look at their C language. Whatever I have shown the slides, everything is written, right? C language. And now regular programming. And next, okay, character data type points. Whatever I'm showing. Okay, character data type. Same points, tick mark, cross mark. Okay, compared to C language in Java. So C language, char data type and everything. Now Boolean data type, same slides. If false, while false, while for false, true, true, true. And then fourth point, relational operators, M1 method, X equal to double equal to. Okay, look at the question. Compared to C language, zero not allowed. Program, look at there, assignment operator. It is assignment operator, not comparison operator. Okay, look at there. So in order to solve above compile time error, we must use double equal to operator, which is equality operator, and it generates a Boolean value based on the given number. Okay, and this program not there. This program not there. You can take screenshot and you can try at home. Take screenshot. Xerox materials are not there with Naresh IT. Xerox materials you have to follow soft copy. Or you want a hard copy, go to Raghavendra Xerox shop. Their hard copies will be there. Take screenshot, this program screenshot, and second program screenshot. First program, it is compile time error. It is compile time error because the value generated is int. Okay, the value generated from this expression is int. That's why compile time error. Then next program, it is no error because the value generated from this expression is Boolean. Okay. Yeah, Xerox shop will have same soft copy, hard copy, same. Go and ask them, Markishna sir, Xerox material, 3 books. 3 books or 2 books are there, they will give. Okay, shall we go to next point? All you people understand? Now last data type, string data type. String is a reference data type. It is a class, predefined class. It is a predefined class created by Sun Microsystem. It is available in java.lang package in java.base module. It is used for representing sequence of characters placed in double quotes. It means for storing sequence of characters as a group, we must create string class data type reference variable as shown below. String s1 equal to, you should write double quotes, start double quotes, and then double quotes. Between you can write any number of characters. It is a string. Okay. Rule, if you want compiler and JVM treat a sequence of characters as a string type, we must place them inside double quote. If you use sequence of characters directly in a program, compiler will not treat it as a string, throws error. Hare Krishna, it will throws error because it's not a string. Like if I write as character A, compiler throw error na, filling as a variable. Same if I write it without double quotes, multiple sequence of characters, a word, it is not considered as a data string type. It is considered as a variable and compiler throw error. When we want to store a name, course, department, alphanumeric number like PAN card number, engine number, bike number, we must also use string data type only. String name equal to HK, string course equal to Java. Next, bike number, bike company name, engine number, bike number, PAN number, okay, everything is string. Inside double quotes, we can place 0 to a number of characters. It means an empty string is also allowed, but empty character not allowed, empty string is allowed. Empty string allowed, space string allowed, double space string is also allowed. Okay, so these are the very important topics related to string. Hope you all understand. String related points, this much only, nothing more. Okay, everyone got clarity here? Okay, there's a horrible point on string, okay, that I will explain you on Monday. These points we'll discuss on Monday. At this minute, I don't want to discuss. Anyways, you cannot understand, okay? Okay, now final data types related, everything we completed. I'll show you set of entry questions. Can you answer? I'll show you some entry questions. I completed these 7 points. Explain on each data type comparing with C language. I have a doubt on you. I know you don't practice, and in the coming classes, I will suffer. That's why today I spend the time to explain you all these points. So based on the word data types, variables, arrays, and objects, we not started. Based on the data types, I have some entry questions prepared for you. Let me show you that, and expecting you all you read answers. I mean, read questions and answer. Okay, now read these 27 questions are there. Please read and answer. What is a data type and why data type? You know, just I'm revising questions. I'm not giving answer. If you don't know any question, if I don't cover any question, I will answer it. How many types of data type Java supports? 2 types of data types, primitive types and reference data types. What is the difference between primitive type and reference type? Primitive types are used for creating variable to store mathematical value. Reference data types are used for creating objects to store multiple values. Draw data types hierarchy diagram. Why char data type comes under numeric data type? Because we can represent ASCII character as ASCII number. Why do we have 8 primitive data types and 7 reference data type? So we want to store different type of values based on the type of the value and range of the value. We have 80 data types. Based on multiple of values of same type, multiple values of different type, we have 7 reference data type. Explain the purpose of each data type, different scenarios to use them in project. Also list out size, range, default value of each data type covered. Also explain each data type comparing with C language and data types. Today covered. These 2 topics I completed today class. What is the default data type of an integer? Here onwards answer. Just one word answers here onwards. What is the default data type of an integer? Int. Hey, Nalla, re, Nalla enter re, Rajesh. What is the default data type of an integer number? Int. What is the difference between int data type in C and Java? I'm not asking default value, Nana. Ayyo. What is the default value of int data type? I'm not asking. What the default data type of an integer number? Int. What is the difference between int data type in C and Java? In C, int data type changing processor to processor. Int data type size is changing processor to processor. In Java, it's fixed. Why do we don't use byte and short data types in regular program? Listen carefully. Byte and short data types are promoted to int data type by default. Hence, we don't use byte and short data types in the regular program. Repeating again, why we don't use byte and short data types in regular program? Because when we use byte and short data types to create variables, and when we use them in expressions, they're by default promoted to int. Hence, we don't use byte and short data types in the program. How can we use int number as a long number, suffixing with L, small l or capital L? What must we do to use large number in a program? You must suffix with small l or capital L. What is the default data type of a floating point number? Double, not float. How can we store floating point number as a in a float variable? By suffixing with a small f or capital F. Why char data type size is 2 bytes in Java? To support Unicode character. What is the rule in storing a char type value? We must place in single quote. Can we use empty single quote? No. Can we use multiple characters in single quote? No. What is the difference between C language, Java language, Boolean data type? In C language, Boolean data type value can be either number, 0 or positive number, negative number. But in Java, Boolean data type value will be only true or false. Cannot use number. In Java, the statement if one, is it valid? No. How can we store name of a person in a Java program? By using string. How can we store an alphanumeric number in Java? By using string. What is the syntax to store string value in a program? We must place in double quote. Can we use empty double quote? Yes. Can we place multiple characters in double quote? Yes. Where and when should we use data type in a program? For storing a value, or for passing as an argument, for returning, for creating variable, for creating parameter, for creating return type, for storing value, passing value, return value, we must use data type. Moishin, you are not answering. So again, you are completely stopped, hurted, because I am trying to correct your mindset. So you hurted. I should not correct your people. So let's decide. If you people are hurting when I say something, I don't talk to you. I just ignore and I will do my job and go. I want to be as your friend. I want to be well-wisher because I want you success. If you are a successful person in your life, I'll be the more successful person. Huh? So when I say something, please don't get hurted. I'm not going to talk with one student. Whenever I'm telling something, I don't talk with one student. Okay, by taking one student example, I'm talking to all, remember. In offline class also, I'll do the same. I used to find students who are doing mistake and I'll try to correct them. Some students are get hurted and they never talk to me again. I used to ask them, why you are not? No, sir, you are commenting me, you are insulting me in front of other students. Oh, you don't treat other students as your friends? You don't treat other students as your friends, then you will get hurted. When you treat your other students are your friends, you never get hurted, Nana. They are like your cousin brothers and sisters. There is no lover in the class, Only in front of the lover we will get hurted. Only in front of the lover we will be always show our talent. No? We will be very dress up neatly. We will be talking nicely. What is the true love? True love means you never ever need to be prepared neatly. That is called true love. Your mother love is true love. Your father love is true love. Your cousin love is true love. Teacher love is true love. Because when you wanted to meet your mother, father, cousin, brother or sisters or teacher, you never ever look into mirror. Right? Try to understand my statement. You never prepared, you never comb your hair. But you want to go to lover, oh my God. You apply makeup and lot of things you do to impress, either boy lover or girl lover. That is not the true love. That is attraction love. You want to impress them. Okay, change your mindset. Now come back. Hope all these questions are everybody understood. Rabuji, all 29 questions is clear to you. So I hope you are confident to answer any questions. And now I'm requesting you now, you need to go to Google and type Java data types MCQs. You will find so many websites. So requesting you all answer those questions. Next, tell me, variable also we completed. What is a variable? How can you create a variable? What is variable creation syntax? What type of value we must assign? What type of value must assign? Depending on the variable type, data type, depending on the data type. What is the difference between primitive variable, reference variable? Sample program to create primitive and reference variables. Compiler and JVM activities in variable creation statement. Will JVM store given data in decimal format? What is the limitation of primitive variable? How can we solve? Yesterday we were discussed up to here. What is the limitation of primitive data type variable? We cannot store multiple values in single memory. Okay, we have as many values we wanted to store, those many variables I need to create. Then what is the solution to this problem? I must use referenced data type. What the primitive variable solution? We must use referenced data type. Now tell me, what is the purpose of reference data type? Reference data type is used for creating object memory for storing multiple values. Can you please try to talk now 1 minute so that you will get clarity? I am giving you your hand bar. Okay, can I say this is your hand? Feel, okay? I'm not good at diagram. Feel this is your hand, okay? And tell me, your hand can hold how many things at a time? Your hand can hold only one thing, one book. Okay, click on raise button. On Zoom, click on raise button. And now try to answer. You chat window now. Tell me, using hand, how many books you can carry? Only one book you can carry. Now, I am trying to take your body now. This is your hand. Okay. Assume it is this. Okay, you are going. Tell me, this is the shoulder. Now, you are taking bag on your shoulder and going, okay? Tell me, using bag, how many books you can carry? One book. Primitive variable is nothing but your hand. It can carry only one value. Whereas referenced data type is what? Whereas referenced data type is what? Is it a variable or bag? It is bag. It can store multiple values. Hope you understand difference between primitive data type and reference data type. Primitive data type allows us to create only variable for storing one value at a time. Whereas you can say reference data type is a bag. It can store multiple values. Okay, na? Tell me, how many types of bags you have? You have laptop bag, right? You have a traveling bag. So laptop bag is meant for storing one laptop, whereas traveling bag is meant for storing laptop, books, multi-purpose you can use, right? You can use clothes, multiple clothes you can use. Tell me, like how we have different types of bags, same way we have different types of reference data types. Number one, array, and number two, class. What the difference between array and a class? Array allows us to store only same type of multiple values. If you use array of type int, only int values I can store. If you create array of double, I can store only double. If you create array of string, I can only store string. But my program demanding, I want to store integer. I want to store integers, double, float, long, string. So different type of values I want to store as a group. There I should use what concept? Class. Are you catching my point? Array can store only same type of values. Class can store different type of values. Now my question, how to write a program to create array for storing same type of multiple values? How can you create a program to create a class for storing multiple values of different type? That we need to understand. That we'll see in tomorrow class. I mean to say Monday class. Tomorrow no class for your batch. Next class is on Monday. Is it understand? So I hope we are on track. Are you people happy with the speed, or you want me to increase speed? You want me to go a little more speed? I'm ready to increase the speed. You wanted to increase the speed? I'll go more speed if you want. Because already in the group, some students are commenting, sir is going very slow, Babu. When he completes syllabus, if you go like this. So if you want me to increase speed, I am ready. Okay, Monday, we will try something new. Okay, a little bit fast or slow, or I'll try something new on Monday. If you are happy with that speed, we will continue. Don't worry, okay? So whatever I explained up to now, from the beginning, first chapter to today, will you please try to practice all points once again? Okay, all the people do revision. What is Sunday? Sunday is not a rest day. Many students are feeling that Sunday is a rest day. Sunday is not a rest day. Sunday is a revision day. Sunday is a revision day. So revise all the points we discussed. Get ready for Monday class. Thank you. See you all. Bye-bye on Monday. Happy weekend. Enjoy the day.